that, we're going to make pressure can nachos. The mince was frozen because I needed a quick dinner, so I'm going to show you how to cook nachos with frozen mince in the pressure cooker. I've got a Russell Hobbs pressure cooker. So here are the ingredients: some mixed herbs, some cumin, some dehydrated onion flakes. You can use raw onions, but I've just dehydrated some pepper, tomato paste. I bulk freeze my tomato paste in 3 tablespoon lots. We've got 2 teaspoons of crushed garlic, some salt, some coriander, paprika in the back there, 2 cans of kidney beans, and some home done tomato. So I'm just going to, so it says to eat, I'm just going to and let that come down, push up. I'll show you from now. So now that the little red button is all the way down and I've released the steam, it's now safe to open. Open it away from yourself. Alright, there's a little bit of fluid in there left, and it's created some of its own fluids, so I'm just going to drain some of that off. So after you've opened the lid, you push cancel, and then we're going to saute. That will give us 20 minutes, we won't even need that long. And then you put the remaining ingredients in, except for the kidney beans, which don't take very long to heat through. Such a great recipe. You need to do something in a hurry. Which quite often I'm busy and I think, oh shoot, I haven't taken anything out for dinner. So this is one of those really quick one pot meals that you could pretty much have on the table within maybe about 35 minutes once you know you factor into the pressure cooker coming up to pressure. And if you weren't doing it from frozen beef, then it would take even less time, so maybe even 15 minutes tops. So this Russell Hobbs pressure cooker can do a few magic things. It's wonderful. I love the machine. Wish I had it when I had all my kids at home, and yeah, makes a great gift too. So I'm going to pop the kidney beans in now. I usually always have some nacho seasoning made up. I've run out, so I really must do that. Oh, look at my fridge. My dented fridge from shifting. I will share that recipe with you because I just make a big jar of it, and it's perfect for nachos, tacos, and just a seasoning that you could use for any type of Mexican food, enchiladas. Yeah, so I'll show you that in another video. In the meantime, you can add a little bit of water just to make it go a little bit further and have it a little more saucy. So just add water as you require it. So there you have it. Lovely nachos. In about 30 minutes. Delicious. I hope you enjoyed that. If you would like the recipe, go to fromscratchfarmerswife.com and all my recipes will be there in my blog. Thanks for joining me today, friends. See you next time. Bye.